So I'm sure, as everyone's aware, there's been this a massive explosion in AI. It's everywhere. You know, we're seeing it embedded into products, into technology, into consumer goods that our end customers are buying all the time. So the history of it is kind of three main things have come together. Firstly, we've had this explosion of data, this tsunami that's hit us. The good thing is we've got lots of labeled data. Secondly, we have the algorithms, the mathematics that represents the way that deep learning works has got significantly better. If I explain a little bit about that, so the original concepts around the way the mathematics were formed were created in the 1940s, subsequently refined in the 1950s, and the term artificial intelligence was created in a working group in the early 1950s in Dartmouth University. And then they created the original mathematics that would underpin where we are today. So academia has spent nearly 80 years refining the maths and getting much, much better at it. And the other thing that academia is great at is they've made it all publicly available. It's all open source information, all the frameworks you can download, etc. The critical point of change was in 2012. So in 2012, a computer scientist, you can tell he didn't work in marketing because he was called Alex, and he created something called AlexNet. And he wanted to enter AlexNet into a quite famous competition called ImageNet. And ImageNet was using algorithms to spot images. So Alex created a deep learning model, and he worked out that he needed to do the mathematics associated with it 50 times. And it was taking a term, so 10 weeks, to run the mathematics that he needed to. So he spoke to all his lecturers, he tried to work out how he could refine that, and nobody really had an answer. As it happened, he was a gamer. So him and some of his gaming buddies went home one weekend and they ported their algorithm from a CPU onto a GPU, a graphics processing unit, actually from NVIDIA. And he went to it and he ran the mathematics on it 50 times, which is what he needed to do. And he won the competition so significantly that NVIDIA recognised this and woke up and went, there's something in this. GPU meets artificial intelligence. And NVIDIA started investing heavily in developing the frameworks, and really that's kind of the thing that was the third part that put your surfer on top of the tsunami of data that gave you this acceleration in the artificial intelligence space.